Roof problems never seem to happen at a convenient time. It's usually late at night, during a storm, or right before guests come over. You hear a drip, see a ceiling stain, or notice shingles scattered in the yard, and suddenly the priority shifts fast. That's when St. George Affordable Emergency Roof Repair becomes more than just a search term. It's about protecting your home before a small issue turns into serious damage. The first thing most homeowners want to know is cost. But the St. George roof repair price depends on more than just the visible problem. Water can travel, soak into materials beneath the surface, and weaken areas you can't see from the ground. Acting quickly limits how far that damage spreads and often keeps repairs simpler. Emergency service doesn't mean rushed decisions. A proper evaluation still matters. A fast roof repair estimate St. George homeowners can trust should identify the source of the issue, check surrounding areas, and explain what needs immediate attention versus what can be monitored. That balance helps avoid both overpaying and underfixing. Many people worry that emergency repairs automatically mean huge bills. Well, in reality, getting help quickly often prevents larger costs like drywall replacement, insulation damage, or mold remediation. That's why an affordable roofing quote St. George residents feel confident about isn't just about price, it's about value and prevention. Another key piece is knowing whether you're looking at a short-term repair or a big decision. An accurate estimate for roof repairs or replacement St. George homeowners receive should explain the roof's overall condition. If the rest of the roof is solid, a focused repair makes sense. If materials are at the end of their life, putting money towards replacement might be smarter long-term. Weather in this area can be tough on roofing systems. Heat, wind, and sudden storms create wear that builds up over time. Small vulnerabilities can go unnoticed until extreme weather exposes them. Having a clear understanding of your roof's condition helps you stay ahead of that cycle instead of reacting to it repeatedly. In the end, emergency roof work is about stability, stopping active problems, understanding the real scope, and knowing the numbers before they spiral. Now, when you have straightforward information, clear options, and a realistic cost, the situation feels less like a crisis and more like something you can handle with confidence. Contact us now for more information on how we can help you. 435-900-8207.